Here they are coming right at my home and then turning away. You can run, but you cannot hide. You sound like a bunch of cowards to me, heading right for my home. I come out to videotape you and then you turn away. You don't fool anyone. They're heading straight at me, going eastbound. They come right at me, they see me with the videotape, and then they immediately head northbound several miles, going into the airspace that they're supposed to go into, but I already have them on tape. They just flew over my home about 5 minutes ago, directly over the ceiling of the roof over my home. Here they are going out of the area to avoid me once they're on videotape. They don't fool anyone. Cowards. Here's a perfect example of the scam that San Bernardino County public officials perpetuate. These people collect billions of dollars or millions or hundreds of millions of dollars in tax revenue. They won't pave the roads. When you want to go out for an evening walk, you get suited up to deal with the temperature, and instead you're dealing with the massive dust plumes. Here they are, look at this, it's ridiculous. It's like this every day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. What this is air pollution. And San Bernardino County public officials are fucking hell-bent on never repairing the problem. They just want to keep collecting the revenue and run it like a private club. We as public citizens have to deal with this air pollution, and here it is. It's affecting our lungs. We're going to use the EPA to sue the county of San Bernardino to stop this harassment and this pain and suffering and misery that these derelict public officials constantly create. And how they do this is they don't collect taxes on real estate development. As a result, builders come in here, they build the homes, no infrastructure is built, and then the people that buy the homes here, like us, we suffer the consequences. Massive dust pollution. Here it is. Here it is again, same thing, just recording it from a different angle. Massive dust pollution. It looks like fog, but in actuality what it is dust. We have a massive dust control problem here. We're overwhelmed by it as a community. These guys should be clear instead. We live here in a giant dust bowl. I guess these people miss Oklahoma. Okay, you have two helicopters flying over. It's the 13th of March. It's a Wednesday. They're flying over exactly where they should be, which is over a mountain range. That's their prescribed method of transit. They're following the law. They're high elevations. They're over a mountain range. They're not flying in the middle of a residential neighborhood at 100 feet off the ground or 500 feet off the ground, buzzing over our rooftops and over our bedrooms in the middle of the day to disturb the citizens here. They're finally following the law because they're under scrutiny, and they're going to continue to stay under scrutiny, and they're going to continue to be watched. And because of this, we're going to have citizens patrols. We'll have to have citizens patrols to continue watching them. Again, they're probably at around 2,000 feet. And this is exactly what they're doing. And I'm not complaining about this, that we're actually recording them what they're supposed to be doing. And what you'll see from previous recordings is the discrepancy in their flight patterns. Their previous flight patterns were malicious in nature and obnoxious. Now that they're under scrutiny, this is the United States Marine Corps 29 Palms. They're being filmed in the direction they're supposed to be. Now, right now, the crooked cops here watching me, who are witnessing me do this, probably think I'm trying to make a mountain out of a molehill, but what they fail to realize is that I now have documented evidence of both sides of the equation, of the local Marine Corps breaking the law and observing the law. And the reason we're recording the event today is so you have a standard of which to judge by what is correct versus what they've been previously doing wrong. And again, the direction where they're heading is eastbound, and they would be going over here to the Marine Corps, which is over here by these mountain ranges over here. It's about 1,000 feet. It's coming too close to our home. Not flying over the mountain ranges as he's supposed to be doing.